everybody, great job graduating. This is a huge accomplishment for all of us, and best wishes for the future.
Hi everyone, hi, I'm ERIK, graduating from mechanical engineering, finally, and I just want to give a special thanks to my friends and family for always being there for me, but I also want to thank the MEP organization, and especially Andrea Salazar, for being the mom that we needed at Mines. Si se pudo.
Hi everyone, I just wanted to send a thank you to my friends, my family, my grandma, my best friend, my mom, my incredible boyfriend Brandon, and everyone here on the Mines campus that has helped and supported me. My Career Center family, Derek Morgan, Lisa Anderson, my mentor Lisette, she's been amazing, Alicia and Rita for helping me. Just thank you everybody, we did it.
Hi everyone. I'd like to thank my parents and my family, including my mom, my dad, and my sister, as well as my beautiful and amazing girlfriend, EVALEENA. And I'd also like to thank my professors who inspired me to be amazing in chemical engineering, and thank you all for a wonderful time here at Mines.
My favorite Mines memory has been climb every year, and I'm thankful for all the friends and family who have helped me along the way.
My favorite memory at Mines has to be the cardboard boat race my sophomore year, where in the middle of it started snowing. We were all freezing, it was really cold, but it was a lot of fun.
We did it, fellow Orediggers. It's been a long journey and few of us knew what we signed up for, but here we are, and now we can say we're a hell of an engineer.
Congrats, Orediggers, we've done it. We've pushed through all the ups and downs, and here we are at graduation. I just want to shout out the Mines community. I've met some very genuine people that have helped me along my journey here. I can confidently say that leaving this graduation, we're all a more competent, resilient version of ourselves, and that's something to be extremely proud of.
Thank you to my friends and family for helping me get this far. I couldn't have done it without you, and I can't wait to try out this thing everyone's been talking about called sleep.
Congrats, class of 2020. Nothing can stop us now.
I am very thankful for my experiences here at Mines and the opportunity to meet new people, professors, and people that I have encountered.
And I'm really grateful for my experience at Mines and just all the friends that I've made and all the people who've helped make me successful in my journey along the way.
I am thankful for all the friends and memories that I was able to make.
This is so exciting. We have worked so hard for this moment, and I hope you take a moment to just appreciate and thank the people who helped you get here. And we are going to continue to do great things. Congratulations and good luck.